did 2 plaques, and her hair came out looking really good. It was right after a wash day, so I was like, what if I tried that? You said you use 3 products, washed your hair, placked it up, and it turned out like this. So why can't it work with mine? Like, yes, granted, I know I know my hair is not as long as hers, like, you know, but my hair is not that short. It just shrinks a lot. And my hair is probably not as thick as her. Like, I have really not thick hair. Like, it's not thin, but it's not as thick as a lot of people. But other than those 2 factors, my hair should be coming out around the same style, but just a little smaller, right? I've washed my hair simply with my shampoo, and I put in my leave-in conditioner. I told you I was going to be detailed. 1 second. Okay, so I washed my hair with my Tresemme coconut water motion conditioner and my Mega Growth deep conditioner. I just mixed these 2 together, put some olive oil in there, and got myself a deep conditioner. Now I'm just gonna take this off, and I'm just gonna detangle my hair real quick because the girl detangled her hair a little bit when it was conditioned, so but my hair, it's a must. I have to detangle it when I have conditioner in, because girl. This is how much hair I lost. Alright, now that we're done deep conditioning and all that nonsense, she washed out her deep conditioner with cold water, which I did. And I have to hurry up. I will talk and go because my hair likes to shrink real fast. Like, so I'm trying to hurry up. I got my bottled water. I don't like to use tap water. She had her leave-in, which my go-to leave-in is Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. And then I got my oil mix. And then she used a styling cream, which I'm gonna go with some Shea Moisture curly enhancing smoothie. I really like to wear my hair to the side, so this is how I think I'm gonna rock it. Alright, so what she does is go in with her leave-in. So we're gonna go in with my leave-in. I don't feel comfortable not having like more sections. I don't usually do my hair like this. I might have overdone it. Oops. We have way too much freaking leave-in conditioner in our hair. Like, this is a little too much. Just gonna dry it out a little bit. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm gonna put this half in a section. Now we're gonna use some oil, my oil mix. You can clearly see I'm kind of still working in sections just because I cannot live this life. I'm trying my best. If this style actually works, I plan on doing this so much more often, because next month I'm gonna be on this hair regimen for a year. You're supposed to have your hair grow an inch a week, so I have 4 inches till I reach my goal. So if I could grow that 4 inches in a month, yo, you know how happy I'll be. I'll still keep going just to see if it stops. So it's a technique that just keeps going. It's proven to work. A lot of people used it, so see why not. So stay tuned for that. But if I could make this work, that would make my life a lot easier. Now, my hand feels greasy as fudge. Like greasy, but we're gonna keep going. Now we're gonna add, no, now we comb our hair. Brush, top. We brush our hair where she literally took the brush and just, I'm cringing so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm dramatic as fuck, so I'm just gonna. Okay, this is what she was doing, like, no joke. And I did, as you see in the previous clip, I definitely detangled my hair a lot. So here we go. Oh my god. Alright, now that we have that, we're gonna put in our curl enhancing smoothie, our styling cream. I'm just gonna go a little light on it because I already have so much in here right now. Like this, that much is about good. I'm gonna put a little bit more because this is such a thick section. Just a little bit more. Now we just cornrow our hair pretty much. One side. Now we do the exact same thing on this side. Going with the oil, which I'm considering part of my leave-in. And then we're going with the brush to detangle. I do see why she... Can you hear me? Over my brushing, the crinkling of my hair snapping out of my scalp.
I do see why detangling is a must. Because when you are cornrowing your hair, you do want your hair to be detangled. It makes for a smoother cornrowing process. You know, you don't want to have to snap and then snag here and then get your hair caught. So I understand why we have to definitely detangle our hair. I just wish we would have separated our hair more, you know, something. But this works. I'm really trying not to be dramatic because this is someone else's style that I'm just recreating and seeing if it works with my hair type. So I'm not trying to like bash it or anything, but my hair is like, girl.
But that's it. That's all we have to do, I guess. And now we wait 4 days. Yes, I said 4 days. Wow. Wow. That's not too much. Okay, yeah, that's a long time. I will see you guys in 4 days, and hopefully my hair turns out like this. Like that. That would be nice. If you see any other style or technique that you want me to try, let me know below and I'll try it. Why not? My hair could be your guinea pig and see if they're actually telling the truth. So, it's been a couple days. Maybe not 4. Maybe 5, 6. Yeah, it's been 6 days, okay? I got busy. But here we are. It's completely dry. This morning I tried to like moisturize it a little bit before I took a shower and all that because it was dry. I even got ready because I got high hopes for this. This better work. So what I'm gonna do is take my oil, my argan oil mix, but just a little bit. Rub it on the mashy ass hands. Side. This is looking promising already. Yes. Oh, feels good to be able to scratch my head though. This. I still gotta style it, you know, lay some babies, but so far this is a win. So I'm just gonna use my detangling brush to do a little bit. It doesn't even need that much, so it is day 1 hair, so I really don't care. I'm just glad that this hairstyle came through.
You just fluff it out a little bit, you know, nothing much.
Ugh, I can't see what I'm doing because I forgot my mirror. But this is not bad. This is really easy and it's easy to maintain. You could still go out with the plaques in your hair, you know. It's not that ugly. That ugly. No, it's not ugly at all, you know. side is always so much longer than this sideburn. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go fix this up, change my part, and I'll see you guys in a second. Yeah, I think this is a plus. I will do this again. You know? The curls are not that bad, but mine gets frizzy real quick, so I would say use more of the curly custard, or I'll try with a different cream just to get more texture. But I like frizzy hair, so it doesn't bug me. If you don't like frizzy hair when you take out your cornrows, just be mindful and be more careful. But I like my frizz. But yeah, you guys tell me, did I cheat the style? Would you try this? I would do it again. This might be my go-to hairstyle. I'm not even kidding, because twist styles take a little too long to twist and then untwist it. This was a lot easier. With the proper haircut, I think this would be cute. But even right now, this is perfect. So let me know if I cheat that hairstyle. And if so, give it a thumbs up so we could try another hairstyle. Leave me a comment below of what I should try next with my hair, because if my hair could do it, your hair could do it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.